So here we are underneath my 2011 S4. I have unbolted 4 exhaust hangers and a cross member chassis reinforcing kind of hoo-ha thing. And you see the lovely tour of $4,000 or $5,000 worth of parts and labor and custom crapola that who really cares? But one thing leads to another, and then leads to a chunk of asphalt or something in the middle of the freaking highway and catching a little bit of air, denting up excuse me, denting up my high float cats, my resonator, and if we can get in here, maybe light it up from the back. Yeah, maybe not. Nice crack in my freaking catalytic converter as a result of all that. So I am going to attempt to use my stick welder and a box of, what the heck are these things? 308, I think 308 is a type of stainless maybe? And try to use these sticks to put some booger welds in it. See how it goes. Okay, we're back under the S4. I'm looking at some booger welds. Ah, damn it. Got a stainless stick. Never used it before. My only welding on stainless is using a normal stick on stainless. Not appropriate. Dog in the way, not appropriate. Being that one to burn my dog. Let's just see if I can strike them out on this shit. Okay, just trying to fill in the gap a little bit. And this shit's just melting away like freaking tissue paper. Alright, there's a little bit of fill. I might be able to get somewhere. Maybe. Not tell what the hell I'm doing at all. Alright, thank you very much. Maybe a little bit difficult to see, but looks like I have been able to get a little bit of gap fill, a little bit of bird shit weld, and of course the gaping hole that I need to fill back in. But I think this just might work with some patience. I cannot see dick in the helmet, so there is that. I'm having to go just by, okay, there's a glowing spark, let's see if I can use it. Let's see if I can melt the shit out of my expensive ass shit. So I succeeded in one big hole, Let's let that go. I can't see a thing inside this freaking helmet when I'm welding this shit. So, we shall see. Okay, this is all sorts of fun. So let's try and see if I can get a little bit more going in. Knock off some of the slide. Let's see how she does. Yep. Yep. Gaping holes in there. See if get some more fill in it. Good grief. Yeah, we're burning the fuck out of the poor thing. Woohoo! God damn it. So here is the worst side of that crack. Believe it or not, most of that is actually filled in. I may have a couple of holes kind of buried in the slide. But overall, the verdict is, it can be done. This, god damn it, it's pretty freaking solid. Just filled in a gaping hole down here, and yeah, I actually did a decent job filling the hole. And it looks like that will actually hold some weight. Hopefully won't fatigue too quickly. Yeah. And what's interesting is there's so much expansion and shrinking with the stainless. The slide just starts popping off on its own and just kind of crackling more so than you'd see it with normal sticks. But yeah, I'm going to go to the other side and I think life is good. So here we are on the easy side where it had this tiny little crack that I've turned into a gaping hole. You can see, you know, maybe sort of. It's about the size of my fingertip. I could just about get my finger in there. And yes, it's kind of frustrating. So I keep trying to pile up some metal around the edges to absorb some of this heat. And jeez, it's gonna take a while. So here's my tiny crack turned into gaping hole, turned into trying to fill it, to this is going to take a while, to oh shit, what is it doing? Stay tuned. And here's my gaping hole gradually getting filled in. And oh my God, what a pain in the butt it is to get anything to stick on her without just melting right through. Loads of fun. Well, you've heard of stacking dimes. How about stacking bird shit, trying to fill that freaking hole? Yeah, that's a load of crap, but I think it'll hold some air, sorta. Yay.